How many guys you knocking down on spring break? Because it seems like you're just going wild.
She's going pretty crazy.
How many guys you knocked down?
How's she? We lost out after like 12.
12 guys on spring break.
Yeah.
How many more guys you knocking down?
On a regular weekend, I'd probably say 3.
3 guys a weekend?
Yeah.
You know what's crazy? I was saying to my spouse recently that I have more respect for workers than chicks like this that goes to the bars, the clubs, the parties, and sleep with a different guy every other night or every night. Because a worker, she's just working. There's no emotional attachment, there's no bond, there's no connection. She's just getting paid and he's just paying for service. But a regular chick goes to the bar, conversation is going to be had, she's going to feel some type of way towards him, she's going to have a little bond, a little emotional connection with him. Even if it's just for a few hours, she's going to bond with him, she's going to connect with him. And to bond and connect with someone within a few hours and then have sex with them, that's just crazy. What's your reward? What are you getting out of it? You're not even climaxing because you don't know this person. You don't know him long enough to have a deep connection where the intimacy is pleasurable on your end. Because you guys complain. I believe there's a study that says 80% of women who are sexually active have never experienced an orgasm. And one of the reasons is you guys are hooking up with these random men. And these random men don't know what you like in bed. So yeah, I have way more respect for workers who are just transactional than these chicks that are just going out to the bars and hooking up. Women are complaining that men are not good in bed. Men can't make them climax. Men don't know what to do. Have you ever thought that you're sleeping with men who you don't know? And they don't know you, they don't know your body, they don't know what you like, because you guys are going to the bars, clubs, restaurants, wherever, and going back home with somebody after 5 hours, meeting somebody after a few chats on dating app. They don't know you, you don't know them, they don't know what you want. They're just trying to get what they want, which is a nut. And once he nut, he don't give a fuck about you. So if you date the person first and get to know the person and the person get to know you, maybe when it comes down to sex, they'll know what to do to please you. I believe a research recently said that 70 or 80% of women that are sexually active have never climaxed. And one of the main reasons, in my opinion, is because you guys are sleeping with men that don't know you and they don't know what to do, what you like, and stuff like that. So date, get to know the person get to know you, and then your sexual experiences might be different. But one night stand, I don't know you, I'm just trying to nut, I don't give a fuck. When I nut, I'm done. This is how girls want to be treated after they're done hoeing. Girl, fuck you. Nasty work. This young lady was dating a quarterback by the name of Zach Wilson, who was the roommate and teammate of her now fiance. So she jumped from roommate to roommate. I guess she's winning. A wise man once said, women sit and wait at the finish line for the winners. White chicks are the easiest to fuck. Men that wife them, I don't know how you guys sleep at night.
You know, say that me never leave me on me. Me have a boom body girl with honey. You feel slim waist, chargy. Stiffing on me hand. Yeah, me a really millions. Yeah, more money, yeah. More money, my plan. Roll up a split when me feel like. Take all your girl when me feel like. Don't for bank full of money, rich life. I really want the rich life. Roll up a split when me feel like. Take a young girl when me feel like. No for bank full of money, rich life. Man I work hard for the rich life. We a say the trend, we a say the trend. Them a follow we not follow them. Stay far from the bad.
Man, listen, if you meet a chick like this, where she never, ever, every day is a bad day. Every day is a goddamn bad day. Leave her alone. Her energy ain't good. She gonna mess up your goddamn energy. Let her fly. It doesn't matter how good her vajayjay is. No, there's better out there. Leave that bitch alone. Like a bird, let her fly.